everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be unboxing my November IPSY Box Plus. I love filming these videos and I hope that you guys like them as well. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll have it like right here, and if you follow me on there, I'll go ahead and follow you back. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below any video ideas or suggestions. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, this is my box for the month of November, and we're just gonna go right in. So let's see what we got. This is what it looks like. It looks good. And the first thing that I see, oh, where's my little booklet? I need my little booklet. Ooh. Okay, so I couldn't find my little paper, like the little booklet that the IPSY box comes with, but I was able to pull up all the products and find out how much they are. Alright, and the first thing we're going to start off with is the GG Gorgeous, the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo. And this is, I believe, in collaboration with IPSY, so they just like got together and made a product, which you guys know how I feel about that in my last video, where it was like Betty Boop in collaboration with IPSY. Not a huge fan, but oh well. This is the packaging. I really like the packaging. I love the white. I love how it says GG Gorgeous. It's nice. It is a bronzer. This is what I'm wearing today, and I do like it. I just feel like the other side, it's not the best color. It's very gray, and that just would not show up like with my skin tone at all. But I do like this one. Can it focus? So this is the one that I'm wearing, and then this is the one that's a little bit more gray toned. So I'll go ahead and swatch them for you. As you can see, you can't really see the gray at all, but this is a good color. I do like it. It was really nice to apply, very creamy, nice and pigmented. I just wish that the whole kind of bronzer was this color and not this so much. I don't like that shade. And according to the IPSY website, this is around $25. 25 or 24? I can't remember. I think it was 24. I don't think it's worth $24. I mean, it is a nice bronzer, but again, it's just GG Gorgeous in collaboration with IPSY. I don't think I would pay $24 for it. I think it would be more of a product that I would pay like maybe $14 at the most, just because I don't know. But let's just continue. All right, second product is gonna be this Trustique what is the Trustique mascara, and I'm actually really happy with this product. It is what I'm using on my lashes today, and I really like how full and long they look. The mascara on its own looks really cool. So this is what it is. It has like a cap, and then it has like a curler in it, so you can curl your lashes. It's really fun. I think it's a really cool idea how they put a mascara and a curler together, so I really like that. And then you open it up and you have your mascara, and I don't know, I think it's such a neat idea. It looks so cool. I was really surprised when I got this, and this says it is $25, which yeah, I can see this being $25. I think it's a good price range. I really like it. I love getting mascaras in my IPSY boxes because I go through them like crazy, so I love getting them. I think this is totally cool. I've never curled my lashes in my whole entire life, and this morning I kind of tried, but I'm really scared of doing that, so I failed miserably. But I do think it's just a cool and fun product, and I like the mascara. Like I said, I have been using it today, and I am very pleased with it, so I'm really happy. The curling section, I just probably won't be using it just because I've never really curled my lashes, so I'm not very experienced with that. But like I said, the mascara is pretty good. Then we got a dewy stick by Ciate. I think that's how you pronounce it. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And this says it is $26 on the website. I got the color Glow. Is that the color? Yeah, That's the color. It comes in a really, really cute packaging. I really like it. All of these like Ciate products come really cute packaged, so I'm really excited about that. And basically it's in the name. It's a stick that gives you a little bit of dewiness. It's not so much of like glitter, but it's more of like, it's really pretty. It's very creamy. I feel like it's more of yeah, it makes you look more just dewy instead of like glitter, which I don't know, it's cool. If you like glitter, I mean, that's fine too, but I think this would be kind of a cute look. The only thing I don't love about it, it's very kind of pinky toned or more like silver pink tone, and I prefer a more golden, a more champagne type of highlight. So that's the only bad side of it, but overall I like it. It says it's $18 and I do think it's worth $18. I'm excited to be incorporating this in my makeup, so I do like it. Definitely think it's worth it. Alright, now the product that I'm most excited about. This is the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. It's basically a primer to apply before your makeup. This is what the container looks like. It looks really nice and sleek. I really love the packaging. This, I believe, I'm not sure, but I think it goes on sale for like $48. So this is like a really good product to get in your box, and I love how like fancy it looks. You get like a little spoon and everything. It just seems really, really pretty. It looks like silicone, I will say that, so I hope it doesn't break me out. I wonder if it has any silicone in it. No, it doesn't. Nice. It says it is the best-selling clear gel, instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smooth. The lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin, and it is the perfect base for long wear foundation application, leaving your skin looking flawless. So I'm really excited to be using this. Again, I believe this is around $48, so I'm so excited to be getting this in my IPSY bag. I swear I live for like primers and mascaras in these IPSY boxes. They're like the best thing. So right here, the whole box is just worth it just by getting this product. So awesome. Alright, and last but definitely not least, from the product, I also got a lipstick. I actually chose this color. I believed you could get a red and this kind of purpley color, and I decided on this just because I have a ton of reds and I never really use them. This is by the brand Belle Argent. I don't know how to say that name. I'm so sorry, you guys. And this is actually pretty cool. I really like the packaging. It says it's around $18, and I think it is, just because the packaging is really cool. It's like magnetic. I don't know. Can you guys see that? That's so cool, right? And the color is really pretty. Oh, it kind of does look like a red. I don't know. It looks much brighter on camera, but it's definitely kind of a deep fuchsia color. Yeah, definitely like a really deep fuchsia color. That's really gorgeous. I think I'm definitely going to be using it for the holidays and stuff, and I just really love the packaging. I think the packaging's awesome. Never really heard about this brand, so I can't really say that it is worth $18, but packaging wise, it's really good. So, you know, I suppose it is probably $18. So, yeah. And then the last item that we got is obviously our little bag, which I think this bag is so cute. It's like leopard print, and it has a little bit of pink in it, and I love the little tassel, and it's really cute. I feel like the bags are just getting better and better in quality, so that gets me really excited. But yeah, overall that is all I got in November's IPSY box. I think it was completely worth it. I loved this month's product. I think last month I also liked it, except for the Betty Boop stuff, I think. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But overall, I love all of these items. I think the only item that I'm kind of disappointed in is the Gigi Gorgeous bronzer duo. I was like not a huge fan of this just because of the color selection, and again, I don't believe this is $25. no way, Jose. It's not $25, especially if it's in collaboration with IPSY. If it was like a different type of collaboration, I would believe it, but I don't think that's worth $25. But anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.